A week before my birthday, my mountain brothers, Randy and Kaman, planned a beach getaway somewhere in Cavite, and I badly needed it. They picked me up in my house and we drove off, with me having no idea where we were going. Kuya Don was driving and we were singing to old songs on the way, until the city lights and tall buildings turned to mountains and roads lined with trees and cows.
Ito, ano dyan, may bahay dyan. Kumusta mga baka? Pwede naman makidaan.
It was so good to see the sea again, to hear the waves and watch the sun as it slowly spreads its light from behind the mountains. Even my godchild Sidane missed the waters too. It was so surreal to finally feel the sands beneath my feet once more, to smell the saltiness of the island air, to witness the bounty of fresh catch.
Matador, tsaka tumador. Sila pa na tubang pero.
Lying there afloat above the salt water, I closed my eyes and tried to forget every bad thing this year has brought. All those sleepless nights of unrelenting anxiety. Those moments I have almost chosen to give up fighting. You see, like this tunnel, in life, we go through dark times, uncertain on whether our next step will lead us to an even deeper hole. But that's why it's called going through it, because it requires you to keep moving until you find that at the end of the tunnel, there is light. There is always light.